Title: This $5,000 EV just outsold Tesla in emerging markets, and it's not from China. Did you hear that a $5,000 electric vehicle just outsold Tesla in multiple countries last quarter? No, it's not from China. It's from Kenya, and it's real. While Elon Musk tweets about robo-taxis and $80,000 Cybertrucks, a company most Americans have never heard of, Mobius Motors, is quietly delivering what Tesla promised for years: a truly affordable electric car for the masses. This isn't a startup burning VC money. This is a profitable production-scale company already changing the rules of global auto manufacturing. And Tesla? Their stock dropped 7% after Mobius's sales numbers hit Wall Street. Today, we're unpacking how a small company from Nairobi just flipped the global EV industry on its head, and how you might be able to get your hands on one of these $5,000 game changers before they sell out in the US. It's Mobius origins. Mobius didn't start as an EV company. Back in 2010, they were building tough, affordable internal combustion vehicles for rough African roads. But by 2019, the team at Mobius had an idea that would change everything. Instead of trying to make luxury EVs cheaper, why not build an affordable EV from the ground up? Mobius founder Joel Jackson said it best: "Companies like Tesla keep adding tech to fix problems that shouldn't exist in the first place." That mindset led to the Mobius E1, a minimalist, rugged, and insanely affordable EV that's forcing global automakers to rethink everything. The Mobius E1. The E1 is not a stripped-down golf cart. It's a 5-passenger, fully electric vehicle with a 250-mile range, a 107 HP motor, regenerative braking, and even a 10-inch display. It accelerates from 0 to 60 in under 9 seconds, tops out at 85 mph, and charges in just 4 hours on a normal wall outlet. Oh, and it comes with a 10-year battery warranty. And all of this? $5,000. That's not a typo. That's the drive it off the lot price. No tax credit, no rebates, just $5,000. Plus engineering simplicity. Mobius engineers asked, what if we cut the fluff and focused only on what matters? Instead of 10,000 plus parts like a Tesla Model 3, the E1 has just 300 to 70 components. The result? Fewer things can break. The body is made from dent-resistant composite panels. The floors are rubber. The dashboard is simple and washable. No gimmicks, just smart, durable design. Even the battery tech is revolutionary. They've ditched lithium altogether in favor of an iron-air matrix using cheap, abundant materials like iron, aluminum, and carbon. These batteries are 90% cheaper to make, don't rely on rare earth metals, and use almost no water to produce. Performance in real-world use. Don't let the price fool you. This car works. Drivers in Kenya's Rift Valley report 85% of rated range even in extreme heat. In the mountains of Rwanda, regenerative braking actually improves efficiency. In Mombasa's rainy season, the E1 never misses a beat. A delivery driver switched from a Corolla to the E1 and saves $140 per week on fuel and repairs. A teacher charges at home twice a week for a total monthly cost of under $10. And in real-world comparisons, the E1 matched a Tesla Model 3 across a 200-mile route with nearly identical range performance. The Tesla had more luxury, but the E1 got the job done. At $108 the cost, Mobius isn't just revolutionizing cars, they're flipping the factory model upside down. Instead of billion-dollar gigafactories, Mobius builds micro-factories, modular plants the size of retail stores. Each costs $3 to $5 million, builds 10,000, 15,000 cars a year, and can be up and running in 4 to 6 months. These microfactories are solar-powered, carbon neutral, and employ 30-50 workers each. This means Mobius can scale production fast, cheaply, and sustainably. Their labor cost per vehicle? $420. Compare that to Tesla at $2,400, or GM at over $3,000. Mobius is already in 34% of the EV market across emerging economies. In just 18 months, they sold 217,000 vehicles and built a 6-month backlog of 380,000 more. In India, they outsold Tata Motors EVs 3.1. In Indonesia, they own 41% of the market. Ride-sharing companies are lining up with bulk orders. Their new commercial van, already has 140,000 units reserved globally. Investors are paying attention. Mobius recently raised $850 million at a $122 billion valuation. Their backers? Sovereign wealth funds from Norway, Singapore, and the UAE. Here's the big one. Mobius is launching in the US next year. No dealerships, no middlemen. Just 200 experience centers inside major retail stores where you test drive and order your vehicle. Delivery happens in under 14 days. Service is done through mobile units and certified retail auto shops. No waiting, no dealer markup. The US lineup: E1 Basic, $5,000, 150-mile range. E1 Plus, $7,200, 250-mile range. E1 Utility, $8,400, 200-mile cargo van. Pre-orders already over 37,000. The EV future rewritten. Mobius isn't trying to win the luxury game. They're redefining transportation. Their cars aren't flashy, but they're reliable, affordable, efficient, and engineered for the real world. They're built for people who just need to get from A to B without spending a fortune or destroying the planet. This is what Tesla was supposed to be, what legacy automakers never dared to be, and what consumers around the world are begging for. The future of transportation isn't coming from Silicon Valley anymore. It's coming from Nairobi, and it's $5,000. Subscribe for more game-changing stories in the automotive world. Drop a comment. Would you buy a $5,000 EV like this?